Something that's annoying is when you want to add a transition to your footage, but you get this message.
Oh, no.
Now there is a way around this message by hitting Shift H to add a hold frame and then trimming, but the process is just a bit annoying. And something that's really annoying is when you have a bunch of different things on your timeline, like titles, different clips, presets, and you want to add a transition in between. This process takes even longer because you have to extend all the media, throw it into a compound clip, and then cut it down. And it's a bummer if you like seeing what media you have above your clips. So I wanted to create something that takes this hassle away and gives you a really unique look in between your shots. So I created a collection of 50 different film burn and light transition overlays that work with just about any editing software, and they're as easy as just dragging over your footage and changing the blend mode to screen in your inspector window. So now you don't have to do that dance of putting all your stuff into a compound clip or doing the hold frame hack. You just change the blend mode and you are golden. This 4K pack comes with a bunch of different styles. It has what I call light speed overlays, chaotic light overlays, film burn overlays, and a bunch of light burn overlays that are warm and cool in color temperature, and even some white burn overlays. They're also easy to customize. If you have an overlay that you like the look of, but it just doesn't fit your YouTube channel or your brand's colors, just hop into your inspector window, go to the hue versus hue curve, and adjust the global slider here. If you like a specific overlay but you wish it animated the opposite way, just search flipped in the effects browser and apply. It is really easy to adjust them, and they are even easier to use. Purchasing these not only adds a cinematic flair to your videos, but it also supports more free tutorials and content on this channel. I'll leave a 20% discount code in the description that will only be valid for 2 weeks. So if these seem like something you might find useful in your videos, I'd get them now before the discount ends. Whether you choose to buy them or not, I appreciate the continued support on the channel, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.